to serve anyone, then we serve simply by following his instruction. Then we become freed from the danger of Maya. Then our service attitude remains perfect. But as soon as we try to do something which is beyond what our spiritual master actually wants us to do, then immediately we are in dangerous waters. In India, we see that everybody likes to take a guru as a fashion, simply to have a guru. Prabhupada used the example, just like in the medicine shop there's a big empty bottle, show bottle, to show, just like you can see Boroline, such a big tube, but inside there's no Boroline, it's only for show. Like that, they keep one guru, just for show. I have guru. So like that, Prabhupada, he did not appreciate if someone, even if he was very nice and paying so many obeisances, but the real test is whether that devotee will carry out the order of the spiritual master. That is the real test. So, just like the disciples of Srila Prabhupada, they have a tremendous test, because Prabhupada said that according to how they can cooperate with each other in his absence, that will be the proof how much they really love him or not. So it is their test. Just like we see the Gaudiya Math, everybody wanted to be the head of their own institution. So they all broke up into so many little pieces and have lost their enthusiasm or their big force to do anything. So Maya has increased and the Gaudiya preaching has decreased, because each leader wanted to have their own little institution, their own piece, rather than cooperate together. Definitely to work with other people is very difficult, because everybody has a different personality, different likes, different dislikes. But where is the question of liking or disliking if we are all fixed at the lotus feet of Caitanya Mahaprabhu? Then everyone will have the same idea, ultimately. That is why Srila Prabhupada described that this Mayapur, with our yearly festival, this is the real United Nations. Because everyone is coming without any consideration that he is from this country, he is from that country. They are considering everybody as the true brother, the servant of Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Prabhupada. So here Dhritarashtra is chastising these demons. They came out there with a big show. They showed so many arrows, so many weapons, but when it failed, then they all fled away. But Dhritarashtra, he did not flee. He depended on Krishna. That if Krishna wants him to live, he'll live. If Krishna wants him to die, he'll die. But he'll simply carry out the order that was given. In the same way, the disciple has to be fixed up to carry out the order of his guru. When the disciple, he may start out with a big show, but as soon as some obstacle is there, if he flees away, then he is a mutra, then he is a urine. He is not a real disciple. So we should take the lessons from all these stories about great devotees and apply them in our life. Then we can taste the real nectar of Krishna Bhakti and Krishna Prem. And we can all chant together, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.